Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for the best investment advice of 2023, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you make smart investment decisions in the coming year. Tip 1. Diversify your portfolio. Our first piece of advice is to diversify your portfolio. In other words, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This will help you manage risk and increase your chances of earning a consistent return. Tip 2. Invest in technology. The second piece of advice is to invest in technology. Technology is constantly evolving, and companies that stay on top of the latest trends are more likely to succeed in the long run. Consider investing in companies that are developing cutting-edge technologies, such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and biotech. Tip 3. Consider sustainable investing. Our third piece of advice is to consider sustainable investing. With climate change becoming an increasingly urgent issue, many investors are looking for ways to put their money to work in environmentally responsible ways. Consider investing in companies that prioritize sustainability and have a positive impact on the planet. Tip 4. Don't try to time the market. Our fourth piece of advice is to not try to time the market. It's tempting to try to buy low and sell high, but the reality is that it's nearly impossible to predict the stock market's movements with any certainty. Instead, focus on long-term investing and stay the course even when the market dips. Tip 5. Get professional help. Our final piece of advice is to get professional help. Investing can be complex, and it's easy to get overwhelmed by all the options available. Consider working with a financial advisor who can help you develop a customized investment plan that meets your individual needs and goals. And there you have it, our top investment advice for 2023. Remember to diversify your portfolio, invest in technology and sustainability, avoid timing the market, and consider working with a financial advisor. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to making smart investment decisions and achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.